What are you doing, Will? What you doing? Huh?
I'm getting all the dust off.
Getting the dust off.
So I can paint it.
So you can paint it? Looks good. Got it all done?
Much as I can see.
Much as you can see. Through them goggles, I bet it's kind of hard to see, isn't it?
Yeah.
Show it to me. Show it up here so I can... Yeah, it looks good. It's looking good.